Hi friends, good morning. Today we'll concentrate on our next tutorial on recycler view only. In a recycler view, so here we have last time we applied here listener. So how is that listener? We can able to see now here. See, we applied when we click on this. Just we are displaying some toast. But I don't want this toast. When I'm clicking this, I want to go to the next page. So normally when you want to go to the next page, we'll use intent. But here in a recycler view or custom list, applying applying intent is little bit different. So how it could be? So that we can able to see here now. See here now I'm applying here intent while clicking this. So intent something declaration equal to new intent. After this it's a common so context in that we'll write. But here see start activity, it's not coming, even though if I write here directly with the start activity of what is that intent, still it's showing this error. Means here it's not calling directly activity here because here we are in a adapter class. Simply you can remember, when you are in a adapter class you cannot call directly the activity, it's required support. What support? So always when you are calling this activity, means that you can call always from the activity only. So because of that here it's required support of context. See context dot start activity, this is the difference, just you can remember this carefully. Then after here, first one is the context. So context, what should I write the context now here? So can I write the context as main activity dot this or this class name? What is the class name here? Wedge adapter. So this dot this comma. Then here, what should I write next? Some class name. I am writing the second dot class. So okay, now as of now it's fine. Just what I'll do is I'll create with this name one activity. Directly I'm creating here one activity. Right click on the package name, and here I'm creating one adapter class. Sorry, activity, empty activity I created. Then click on finish. See, activity as created and it's registered in manifest file and all. We know that it's created automatically and it registered in manifest file and all. But now here we got error. What is that error here? What it said this cannot resolve constructor intent, because constructor this here intent constructor is expecting adapter, not adapter, it's expecting as a activity. That is context is nothing but which extended has which extended as a activity. So here now what should I do here? Context is nothing but in our class already we defined on the top here in the main context as context, and we assign that context from main activity. This means here also we need to call main activity itself, because here we added the context. Just I'm clicking on the context. Then after this here, for this just I'll give some background color so that we can able to know that it's you are moving from that activity to this activity, like that we can know. Just I'm giving you the color primary this. See again I'm running this application. Now we can check this it's moving or not. So once it move, we can able to check that. So here now it's running. Once it's installed, we can check this now. See here. Now I'm clicking on this. See it's going like this. Now I'm clicking on this, it's going like this. Okay, it's moving. So whenever any intent from adapter class, don't forget these two things. One is the context which you referred to above, and context, that is also constant, means always it should be based on the main activity only this for action can perform. So thank you for the subscribe. If you not subscribe, please subscribe for get more updates. Thank you.